Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video you will see some wonderful and amazing kitchen and home organization ideas. All ideas are unique and amazing. You can take the screenshot of the picture that you like most. I hope you are enjoying the video. If you are enjoying the video, then leave a beautiful comment to encourage me. And if you are new on my channel and didn't subscribe the channel yet, then subscribe the channel. Also hit the bell icon so that you can receive the notification of my new and upcoming videos. Alright viewers, thanks for watching. See you again in the next video. Till then, bye bye.